EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martich here with your outlook for December 11th, 2018. For your Tuesday, we're expecting another mostly sunny day across the region. Temperatures will still be cold, and the highs will get into the upper 30s to low 40s across the region today, which is still below average for this time of year. And we go to mostly clear skies overnight tonight. We get into Wednesday, another mostly sunny day we're looking at for the daylight hours. Then you see this little disturbance that's off in the Great Lakes is going to dive down to the southeast very quickly. And there could be a few snow showers that come with this, like after midnight on Wednesday night into mainly Thursday morning. But for most areas, it looks like it's just going to be a light coating to an inch out here in maybe some central PA locations, and it gets further east, just a few snow showers that may coat the ground, and that's about it. Some areas just see a few flakes, and that's all we're dealing with. And this is not really a big deal in all. There's not really a lot of precipitation with it. As this dives down to the south and east, you can see this moving into central PA and kind of holding itself together to that point. So places like State College, Williamsport, Selinsgrove, places like that will still get into maybe the coating to an inch area out there. But as it moves further east, it does move further east, but you just get a few snow showers moving in, and maybe some places get a coating farther east from that. So central PA locations. Here's the latest NAM, and this is also showing this right here, moving eastward. Now this is again overnight. It would be after midnight this came through. You could have some snow showers, and here's the snow showers on the composite reflectivity future radar, and this is below freezing coming in at night, and this is also looking at 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning. So this starts off early out here in central Pennsylvania, and then as it moves eastward, it kind of fizzles apart. You can see there's very little in the way of coverage, but you could have some snow showers getting pretty far east, maybe all the way to the Delaware River. Between Pennsylvania and New Jersey here, where we have some snow showers. So this is mainly a northwest of I-95 deal, where you could see those snow showers occur. But this kind of holds throughout now, mainly in the morning, maybe a few snow showers lingering in the afternoon or flurries. But I just want to make mention of this because there's not a lot of people talking about this right now. And although mainly because it's not a big deal, but if you see snowflakes flying here on Thursday, that's the reason why. So we go for further from that, this little shortwave moves offshore, and it's a little disturbance. And then we have our next system that's going to come in on Friday. Now, it is going to warm up. Winds are going to shift on Thursday night and Friday. We're going to get some milder air in here ahead of this next system coming in, which is going to be a rain system. Now, the models have been going back and forth on how long this rain lasts. They've been very consistent on when it comes in. And it looks like it's going to come in for most areas late afternoon or early evening on Friday, and then last through the night. Could have some rain, maybe some heavy rain at times on Saturday morning especially, but pretty much periods of rain on Saturday the entire day, and then you just taper to showers after that point that goes through Saturday night and also at least Sunday morning before this finally pulls away. And what ends up happening here is you have the main surface low that's going to head off to the east, and it's going to bring us the additional parts of rain from that, and then the upper level low is going to move back in and form another surface low. So you actually have a double low feature here, and the second one moves in Saturday night and at least Sunday morning. It might shut off here by later on the day on Sunday. We'll see, but it does look like behind this we get a little bit colder, not tremendously colder, but a little bit. That's just to start off Monday. We're going to keep most areas partly cloudy on Monday, but the northern areas could have a few snow showers across the region as this system pulls away. The evolution of this is still kind of up in the air because that upper level low still has to move through, and we kind of alluded this in the previous videos we were doing, and with the Weather Weekly's video I was talking about this a little bit, and also the long range outlook. We kind of showed that there may be an upper level low moving through. On the back side of this we have to watch for that could bring in, with just at least for the northern areas, some snow showers. So we'll have to watch for that too. Again, not a big deal with this system exiting, and then we go back to partly cloudy skies as we get to the following Tuesday. But that any kind of cool down that you would expect that maybe at the beginning of next week is going to be very, very transient. We go back into the slightly above average temperatures again following that, which should go about the 22nd or 23rd of the month before we get some colder weather moving back in. I'm EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martich. That is your outlook for December 11th, 2018. Have a great Tuesday.